What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing the tornado. It's going to be really hard. It's not going to be happening on my first try because it's really, really hard. Fix this camera real quick. Okay. Okay. Damn. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do a tornado right now, but I will do some tricks for y'all there. Okay. Sorry for that. Actually, I'm gonna show you a couple of lighter tricks, okay? Okay. This is how you breathe fire from a lighter. Okay, all you do is hold down this button. Hold down this button and stick it in your mouth. Do not inhale it or nothing, just stick it in your mouth like that. I want to do the time, but let's see. I hear you. There's that. There's this. That. You just hold on the button inside your hand. Then you light it. You're like freaking the fireman off a freaking Fantastic Four. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, do whatever the fuck you have to do, and that's it. Peace out. Post videos every day, and